Honor to introduce Mr. Andrew Eva. He is known for his unconventional approach and his support for national resistance movements in Afghanistan, the Balkans, Sudan, and Balochistan. He has left his imprints on US policy on several occasions. We are really grateful to you for your presence here with us today, sir, and look forward to learn something from your observations.
I'm just chairing here. I will not be a speaker this afternoon, but I am chairing this panel. I will speak tomorrow. So we will have 4 outstanding speakers on the Baloch cause who have fought for it over the last many years. We'll start with Ali Arjumandi, a human rights, who will speak on the human rights situation and case of missing persons. I'd like you to welcome Mr. Ali Arjumandi.
I thank you, Mr. Chairman, and I thank the Baloch Voice Foundation that gave us the chance to bring the voice of the voiceless of our people and the sufferings of the families of the missing persons and the abductees. Many people have been abducted by the state security services. There are many Baloch women have abducted and kept in undignified condition. My brother Rozhn Arjumandi went to Pakistan on July 2009. He was on his way back from Balochistan when a bus he was traveling was stopped by the plainclothes police officers and taken away. Until now, we know nothing about him, absolutely nothing. In case of my brother, he has a voice that is me, but there are 10,000 others, or more than 10,000, that have no any voice to be stated to outside world. What has happened to my brother, we do not know. There is a little hope that we would know what would be the outcome from this abduction. The Iranians persecute the Baloch because they have different identity that could not integrate easily with Iranian national identity. Iranian opposition political parties are not different from the governing mullah. No Iranian political party have supported the Baloch against state authorities. Baloch have been punished for no other reason than being the Baloch. Iranian political parties never protested. The state misbehaved towards the Baloch. Iranians have executed Baloch without trial. In optimistic assessment, they had shown trial. The international community have tolerated Iranian misbehaves. Today, the Baloch existence is undermined. We know from the experience that the Baloch will resist. Iran and Pakistan are trying to eliminate the Baloch people. Should the international community let the Baloch down, then I think it would be a disaster. The relatives of the missing and abducted Baloch people have tried to trust their loved ones, but with no success. Ehsan is a Norwegian citizen. He may have expressed sympathy with Baloch cause, but he never promoted a violence against anybody. He was not part of any outlawed organization. It is untasteful for the state to hold him hostage. I'm appealing to the Pakistani authorities who are holding my brother and other hostages. Please let them to return to their families. The families are suffering, and I am the living example of those families. Thank you, everybody. Thank you all.